All right, the Avalanche is here on the final steps. I'm just kind of cleaning it up and getting it ready. But I realized should probably make a quick video on this. If you own an Avalanche, this is kind of must need to know. You can see this plastic here. It looks in pretty good shape. The trick to this is just a standard old heat gun. So if you look over here on this side, I haven't done this panel yet. So this is what it looks like after heat gun. This is it all sun bleached before. So if you ever want to freshen up this plastic, you literally just fire your heat gun on. Let me plug it back in. Stupid thing just keeps coming unplugged. The heat gun, it's going, you can just watch it. It doesn't take enough heat to damage the paint or any rubber seals either, so you're pretty safe to go right on the edges. So yeah, we just heat gun down the entire panel. So I'm gonna finish this one off here. All right, here it is. Looking nice and fresh. It shows a few little watermarks and things, but it looks way better than it does when it's sun bleached. So every panel on the back here has been done. I still have 2 panels over here though. Here, I'll show you. So I've done this bed cover plate, which I will lean up here. Now I gotta do these ones.